So up till now, what we've learned is could be considered structured programming. If we look at the demos that we did, and let's take a look at this fibs function. The basic idea of structured programming is that everything is kind of organized in a nice, concise way, and functions make this easier for us to do. So for example, we can see we have our main part here, and we are calling basically our functions like a procedure. It's like we gave the procedure to a person, and they're just running these instructions one after the other. And we put things into, for example, this while true block, the do another, and everything is in a nice tree structure if you kind of look at this, and executes nice and smoothly. So the organizing principle here is we're going to put all of our complex, we're going to break our complex code up into individual pieces, define those as functions, and then call those in main in a nice logical structure. Some of these functions are inside of this while block, others are before and after it, and you can follow the logic quite nicely. So we're going to also find that there's other organizational ways we can structure our code to make it easier to break apart, and really also to make it so that let's say, if you think about it, let's say we want to combine all these files into one program and all of these structures into one program. It would be nice if we had some way of combining it. So the next thing we're going to look at after doing this structured approach that we've learned so far is to learn object-oriented programming. And with object-oriented programming, it's not a different method of programming. We're going to leverage this structured approach to organize our code in yet another level. So the next section will be about object-oriented programming. Thank you.